Strike Eagle 069 to base. Does anyone copy? Over. Strike Eagle 069. Shot down over enemy territory. Request immediate evac.
November 2023. I have arrived on site and I am waiting for my escort, who will hopefully lead me to the alleged mass graves so I can document the atrocities committed by the local militia. I can hear small arms fire in the distance, but I am in no immediate danger as of yet. I will keep everyone posted on the developing situation. Wish me luck.
What are you doing here? Why are you?
Whoa, whoa, easy, easy, easy. I'm with the press. I'm with the press.
I shoot you!
General, quick interview. Kai said Dogaya.
No, we have a lot of problems, but we can do it. We can do it. Yes, we are fighting. There is a very good fight. These guys protecting me, my body, and we will prevail.